How to update your Bumble app. Want to make sure you are using the latest feature of Bumble and fix bug? Let's update your Bumble app. Open App Store and tap the search bar, type Bumble and hit search. If an update is available, tap Update, tap your profile icon, scroll down to see pending updates. If Bumble is listed, tap Update, and when it's done, just open the Bumble app and enjoy the latest version. And that's it. You have successfully updated your Bumble app, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out more quick tutorials. Catch you in the next one.